Remedy is a UK tech company with a mission to bring personalized health and wellness to the world using cutting-edge 3D printing systems that we are building from scratch. We are a health company. We are a research and development company. We are a nutrition company. We are a manufacturer. We are scientists and food technologists. We are storytellers and empathetic listeners. We are mechatronics and engineers. We are artists and designers. We are developers and data analysts. We are collaborative innovators. We are problem solvers and eco-warriors. And we believe that good health should be a basic human right. We exist to give our customers and our team the tools and support that they need to live their best lives. We are meticulous about quality in our products, our services, and everything we do. We are ruthlessly committed to the pursuit of better life through science, and we are just getting started. We are exponentially more powerful together, and together we're making something that no one has ever made before every single day. And we know as a combined force, there is nothing we cannot do. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. And we won't stop until personalized health and wellness is available to everyone, everywhere.